Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's TikTok, I'm going to show you guys how to make a no glue toilet paper slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. I'm using the Style one. You guys will need toilet paper. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so I'm first going to get adding my soap into the bowl. And the more soap you add is how much slime you will get. So that looks like just enough. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get shredding up the toilet paper. The toilet paper is basically what makes the slime buttery, and it makes it kind of like a fluffy butter slime, if that makes sense. Also, I'm sorry if you hear my bird Spiky. She always makes so much noise in my videos. And I'm going to get shredding up the paper now. Alright, that looks like enough, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get adding it into the bowl. And I'm just going to add about this much toilet paper. And you can also use paper towels or like, you know, any other paper like this. And I'm going to get mixing it into here till the paper basically dissolves. Alright, that's enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get putting this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. And every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out, look at it, mix it up. If it needs more soap, I'll add more soap. If it needs more toilet paper, I'll add more toilet paper. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 hours and I actually added some pink food coloring into here because I wanted to make it a bit prettier. And here it is. And I can see that the toilet paper dissolved so much into this. I kind of want to add a little bit more over the top to see if it adds anything to it. So let me just add a little bit over the top because, you know, I want it to be super fluffy and buttery. But wow, this seems like it turned into a nice slime just looking at it already. Let me actually pick it up, and wow, this is sticky. This is very sticky. This turned out so nice, and I like the pink coloring on it because before it was like a light pink because of the soap, but now I really do like the color on this. And the toilet paper is actually dissolving so well into the slime. I don't know, I think I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. It's quite sticky, I'll say that. But I mean, it's toilet paper slime, it's made from soap. I mean, it's not gonna be the best slime, but for being a no-glue slime recipe, this turned out really, really nice. And I don't know, I'm so happy this turned out great, and I really hope this turned out good for you guys as well. I know sometimes my recipes can be difficult to make or something like that, but this one seemed really easy to make, and I love the color on this. And it will melt after about an hour, so I mean, it's soap, but I mean, if you put it back into the refrigerator, it will be perfectly fine, and you can have slime. Yes, but I'm going to give this slime a 10 out of 10. It turned out great for me. It's quite sticky though, as you can tell. But it's no glue soap slime with paper in it. That's how it's gonna be. But this is a 10 out of 10 for me. If it worked for you too, please put it in the comments down below, and I will try to get back to you and give you some helpful ways on how to make the slime better. If the slime turned out good for you, that's great also. But yeah, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, in peace. And remember to check out all my social medias, and my Etsy shop is linked in the description box down below. Bye! Thumbs up for no glue slime recipes.